number 46, they're asking for the limit as x goes to 10. So what I would do is I would first, because it's a two-sided limit, there's no superscript, we have to look at both sides. So we first have to look at the limit as x goes to 10 from the left. So we cover up the opposite side, we cover the right-hand side at x is equal to 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to think about as x goes into 10, we want to trace our function and see what our function is doing. So our function starts up here and it goes down, and as x goes into 10, so basically as it goes towards that sheet of paper, that edge of the page, we are seeing that it lands at this point right here. Now remember that your limit is always equal to a y value. So what we're trying to do here, we're not trying to find the x value, which in this case the x value would be 10, we're trying to find the y value. And the y value corresponds on the x-axis would be equal to 0. So from the left-hand side, we see that our limit is equal to 0. Now we also have to look at from the right-hand side. So for the right-hand side, we would cover the left, the opposite side, and then we would say as x goes into 10, trace our function values, and our function values are going up to that same exact point. And so that means that our limit from the right-hand side would also be equal to 0. So from the left and from the right, they are both equal to 0. And so that means we can say that our two-sided limit will also be equal to 0. Okay, so that is a true statement. The limit as x goes to 10 of f of x is equal to 0. Now let's look at number 47 while we're at it. On number 47, you have the limit as x goes to negative 2. The plus superscript means we're coming in from the right of f of x. All right, so we first identify our negative 2. So negative 2 is over here. We're coming in from the right. So if we're coming in from the right, we're going to cover the opposite side. So we cover the left-hand side. All right, so when I cover the left-hand side, I then say, okay, as I go in towards negative 2, I see that the graph is going up and away, and it's never actually hitting a value. So like over here with this x going to 10, it hit that value of 0. But over here, it's not really ever hitting a value. And instead what we see is as x goes to negative 2, we have a vertical asymptote. So because of that vertical asymptote, we would have to say that our limit is going towards positive infinity. So this we would say is that our limit is equal to positive infinity. Okay, so let's look at another question, number 40. Actually, let's save for 48 and 49 for a separate video. So that is 46 and 47.